All right, you guys, so we back with some more action, boxing action that is. Got a good friend of mine, client as well. He's gonna demonstrate some defensive moves. The thing about defense is it is offensive, meaning you can manage a fight and manage energy and manage damage by being defensively sound, or as my coach in LA used to say, defensively responsible. So we're not gonna get too crazy, not gonna be in no Philly shells or hands down, but we are gonna be in a nice high guard. We're gonna catch behind the ear, we're gonna catch on the body, right? And we're just gonna keep our breathing steady. And for some of you who are just starting, this is a great place to start. My first 6 months learning how to box as I was preparing for the 2020 Olympics, I threw 0 punches and I hated it until I started boxing. Then I realized, oh wow, I can see the matrix now and they can't hurt me. When you get to where you don't think anyone can hurt you, whoo, you're gonna fly. All right, so for you, what I want us to do is work this way so they can see us in that box formation. So first of all, set your feet. We're gonna have our feet set. Now you guys, I always like to have a foot a little bit outside. That way, hitting here and hitting here isn't an issue. Some people have a different style, this is mine. So match my feet. Nice, arms up. Nice, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna just, nice, simple with the catch, touch behind the ear. So you went here, I want you to be here. In boxing, you have to overdo it to learn it, okay? More than that. Yeah, you should feel it right there, okay? It's not high enough. There it is. Let's do that 10 times until it's real. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. We're gonna talk about it. 4, 3, 2, 1. So the biggest thing is you're doing that right, but then home isn't home yet. Home is here. Yeah. Get in the shell, round that back out, and eyes up. That way it's only about 3 degrees from there to there versus 6 degrees. Yeah. And you want to limit the time it takes to get safe. Perfect. So we're going to go 10 here. This is the perfect way to catch. He's low. He's intentionally low. He's tight. And his body, I'm throwing my body weight. His body is absorbing it because his base is wide. Your legs are the workhorses on the farm. And they got to be fed. Here we go. 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. Nice. Good job of keeping your eyes up. If you keep your eyes up, you're able to see what's coming. It's going to take the anxiety out. And so if we're doing a workout, what we will do is you throw your jab, throw the jab, nice, and then you'll catch. And that'll be 20 seconds of that, right? And what we're working on is your response. We're working on your response to the danger. There's the idea of it, then there's it, right? Don't respond to a Colt 45 like it's a nuke. All right, now one thing I will say, you're getting a little too close. You gotta make sure you don't come closer to my fist. Yeah. All right, let's go 4 more. We're still on the clock. 3 more. 2 more. Not bad. 1 more. Nice, all right, so let's work the other side. Let's catch here. Same thing, high guard, but when you catch here, turn slightly. Turn slightly. So if I'm here, I'm almost like I'm resting my head. Yep, let's go 10 to that side. Here we go, 10, eyes to me though. See how you backed away? Yep. You're falling, you gotta be low. 5, 4. Oh, that was good, where'd that come from? Let me get that. 4, 3, 2, 1, other side. 5, hands high, 4, 3, 2, 1, last time, 5. This is great, 4, good. 3, 2, to the body, front side, 5, to the front, 5, here we go, 4, 3, and we're just touching the back of his elbow. Now I'm gonna go to the far side, 5, back of that elbow, 4, and that's as good as it's gonna get, you guys. You're going to feel pain and discomfort when you're blocking yourself from pain and discomfort. You can't be in chaos and not be a little chaotic. But what I'm going to teach you is how to not get engulfed by the flame. But what I can't protect you is from the burn, okay? If you don't want to get hot, what they say, stay out the kitchen. Here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's mix it up for 20 seconds. Let's see if you can trust your eyes. I'm gonna mix it up. Trust your eyes, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time.
Mr. Fiore.
But you live to tell your story, right? So real quick, what's the hardest thing about playing defense for you in your journey?
I think the hardest thing for me is the form.
The form.
The form, right? You just kind of get stuck in your ways.
Yeah.
And you want to play defense the way you know out on the street.
Yeah.
It's not the same defense.
What from just now, this drill just now, do you feel like helped you improve even a little bit? What's something that was said or done?
I would say trusting, keeping my eyes up.
Okay.
Number one, because I'm watching to see where it's coming from.
Yeah.
Right. But also two, just making sure I keep everything tight.
Yes.
Because I think if I keep everything tight, it's easier for me to guard here or guard here versus being all loose.
Yeah.
It's a further distance.
Let's try it. Let's go 10 more seconds.
Yep.
Be even more alert, even more tight. Let's see if I can get you. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time. I say you got a little bit better, huh?
A little better.
Good job.
Yeah.
You guys, I'm going to keep coming back with the action. I'm going to keep coming back with the lessons. All you got to do is sit your ass down somewhere and listen. Again, play this until this is who you are. This ain't cosplaying. This is curating, fighting, okay? And fighting is another word for dancing. It's another word for IQ. It's another word for EQ. He's feeling me. He's learning me. He's studying me. And someday he may be able to beat you, not me. Anyway, you know what it is. Peace, like Lowe's always. Let's go.